Case study in sales. For example, recreate the paradigm is a principle we're in real estate. Nagbebenta ka ng property, pero hindi niya kaya yung presyo. So you have to change the paradigm and say something like, I know that the price is very expensive, sir, but you're not just buying the house. You're buying the location and the network of the people living in the community. See what I did there? Another one, deflect the proposal to something else. Very sikat ito. Selling a job opportunity. I'm sorry I can't offer you requested salary, but I can guarantee that it will be offset by the generous untaxed allowances. Offset it with an alternative. Another one, overcome the request by offering something else. Kung nagbebenta ka ng gadget, sikat to sa Green Hills, I cannot give this to you for a lower price, pero extend ko po ang warranty to another year. Right? Or bigyan ko po kayo ng libreng payong. That works. Diba? Or libreng USB. Right? That is alternatives. It's so underrated, but if you think that the no can't be managed, offer an alternative. Same thing applies to our employees. Okay?